Fuck, that was smooth, wasn't it? We're gonna go right under it.
Oh,
yeah. Oh, Carlos. No.
I love how they bring people just to fucking dust them.
Oh, it's sitting there by itself.
By itself.
By itself. Could do a time lapse.
Time lapse is cool.
Yeah.
We should do that.
Seals just parked up on the rocks here. Oh yep, there's a couple of lumps up there. A couple of New Zealand fur seals.
Whoa.
Like me. I struggled to get one, let alone 14. So these seals are doing alright.
This is sick.
Hopefully I'll be reincarnated into one day, that'll be great.
They look like slug dogs. Come on, jump, jump. Come on. Yes!
Anxious there, doesn't want to go. Arm on.
Oh fuck.
There he is.
I missed it. That's really cool.
So we're just going to slowly make our approach to the waterfall just so you can get photos out the front before we embrace it.
It's splashing me in the face when you walk.
Oh, hold up.
Did you not film?
I don't think I did.
You sure?
Yeah, go.
We're done for the day.
I can't even see.
I can't see anything either. I can't see anything. It's a bit wet. A little bit. Cute. I'll watch back the footage to see. Oh my god, can't actually see anything. Nice, I guess. It won't let me even touch the screen of my phone, that's how wet it is. You should have bought an umbrella. At least I have this rain jacket. up for a nice swim. Now my jeans are a completely different colour. It's a nice view though. We're very lucky people, aren't we? Can't see my undies, can you?
No? What are you doing?
Just seeing if this is a viable outfit. Did you see all the rain come off the back of the boot? Is it okay if I have wet feet in here? A motorbike. What? Yes, please. Do you have my glasses? We just came from all the way up there. It's supposedly freezing cold glacial water, so so squishy. Look at how bouncy the sand is. The strangest consistency ever. Okay, let's see how cold it is. Oh, that's cold. Oh, that's really cold. Oh, that's so nice. Whoa, that is freezing! Got mud all over myself. Okay, I'm gonna put this somewhere. Good. Look at how shiny it is. Why is it so shiny? What is that? Oh, I'm getting stuck now. It's not quicksand or anything, right? Is that good?